How to see who shared your post on Instagram. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have switched from your personal account to professional account. Once you're on your professional account, the next thing you want to do is head over to the specific post. Tap on this three dot over here. Click on the option Insights. This interface will appear on your screen. Scroll down and in the post interactions, you'll see the option of shares. So what you want to know is, you will only be able to see the amount of shares that has been shared. But for the privacy, you won't be able to see the username or the person who has shared your post. It's due to the privacy and the concern of the people. But if you really want to see who has shared your post, then what you want to do is, you have to wait for the Instagram to update this feature. And then only you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.